Alabama. It's where the fucking tornado hit. This shit is ugly. Real ugly. I'm trying to zoom in so that y'all can see what the fuck I'm talking about. This shit got ugly. You see all that shit over there? You see all this destruction over here? Holy shit. This shit is bad.
See that car?
People's shit got fucked up. Bad. Bad, man. Shit is fucking terrible.
The Hobby Lobby over there?
God damn, this shit got tore the fuck up. Now y'all need to...